This is a poem about the states of matter. Do not get bored, leave or scatter. I want your undivided attention and no chatter. Let us start with solids, the densest state of matter. The particles inside a solid have a little freedom to move. They vibrate in place and do a little groove. Solids have a definite volume and shape. One example could even be a piece of tape. Liquids have no shape and are the second densest of matter. They have a definite volume but cannot shatter. The particles in a liquid move more freely than a solid. It is amazing how many types of liquid could fit in a lid. The least densest state of matter is gas. The particles move past each other very freely, which is something we learned in science class. Gas for sure has no definite volume or shape. It might even come out of an ape. Solids, liquids and gas are the three states of matter. Now it's time for me to scatter. I hope you learned today. Our teacher will be so happy, I must say. Today we'll be conducting a states of matter experiment using everyday household items that can be used in your classroom. Today we will be using coloured drink such as this iced tea right here that has an orangey colour to it, an ice cube tray, a snap lock bag and some tape. I couldn't find any masking tape, so we'll be using clear tape today. Pour the coloured drink into the ice cube trays. Carefully place the ice cube tray in the freezer to freeze overnight. Cool out the ice cube tray once it has been overnight. Then you will end up with ice cubes of an orange colour. Next, get the children to place about 2 or 3 orange ice cubes into our snap lock bags, like so. One, 2, 3. Then seal the bag up tightly so no air can come out. Like this. Next, get a piece of tape and tape it to the top of the snap lock bag. Careful not to stick it down on the table. Then stick it to the window. Leave the ice cube bag stuck to the window and let the children monitor its progress over the next half an hour. Once the snap lock bag has been placed to the window, get the children to identify what state it is in. Have them identify that it is a solid because it is not taking shape of its container. After half an hour, the ice cubes have melted. This is where the children can write the results of the experiment and what they've seen today. They can identify that the ice cubes that were once a solid because they did not take shape of their container have now turned into a liquid form that does take shape of its container.